gonna just call you. I'm gonna just call you Kane. All right. Like the League of Legends. When we play Project Like I don't really play rhythm games because I have no rhythm. Actually, I feel like I do have rhythm in real life. I don't like.
Turkey sandwich.
Like I get rhythm. Like it just doesn't work for me. It's not a good time. It's not a fun activity. You know what I'm saying? Money is power.
Ayo pagi ni.
But it's like you know how to spam click an app. Why do you say like That's like a workout. That's rhythm games to me. It's like an activity, an exercise. Fuck that. When I play League, I'm like, hey yo, juggler coming down bot lane. I'm ganking. Like, rhythm games. Motherfuckers even get tablets because they gotta click fast. Like.
I hold him up. Clip of like the egg thing. Like that. And I was like, oh. You wanna know what I'm wondering?
I don't think my boyfriend's cat likes me.
Listen. I'm like no longer considered new at my own circumstances. You know, back when I was comatose, I'm no longer technically new if I was still, you know what I'm saying? I wonder if some of the newer while like having a coma fever dream, like had me as like their maybe I'll like fall asleep and like dream like reality shit and like ask one of them. Would you feel good or scared? Now that I'm like not there, like I would feel good about it. But like if I was still in the dream, I would be like psyched that people like looked up to me in any regard because I hated myself enough to be a member of that, you definitely
NANI?
That's what got me thinking. That's what got me thinking. That what I said was not original. That was said like that. Thanks, Penguin Siblings. Huh? Not you, but True. My God. Cause there's like a respect thing. I think.
Oi, 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 oi.
It's like you're like actually scared. Out of respect.
You're
Like it has some torque to it. Like I was like, damn, you can't do shit in this house.
No, God!
Like, what the fuck?
No, God, please, no!
And it's literally just like we made some food or something. And like his mom like made dinner. Like they were gonna eat in like an hour. I look so bad because it's my idea to make food. Okay, they asked about mine. I was like, yeah, and like I was like, what, you wanna make food? And they're like, sure. I don't know, what my dad would do. Fuck it, I think it's funny, man. If he's ever like really mad and like he wants to like throw like a slipper or something at you, or like you know like you can just tell because as he's like angrily talking to you, like not hand that he already knows is not legal. So like, yeah, anyways, bro, like what the fuck you doing? And like he's like scanning the room trying to like find the nearest object that will like hurt enough, but like not kill me or seriously injure me. And we'll just like be looking around and I can just tell when his eyes are scanning. One time I was like, oh, you're scared of him to look, and he was like, I was like, I can tell, and I fucking but like if he does that, it gives me time because I can dodge it. Y'all be dodging me, get more mad. And then they're like pissed, they like have like reflexes. I'm like, bitch. If anything, like you raised me right if I dodge this little, you know what I'm saying? How the boss hand in the first place, something? Cause like, okay, with the time I said it, he wasn't actually mad. And like I said it, awesome, like he was gonna like, like a hat. Like it wasn't like he was just like, and I was like, oh, you're looking at me so
What intonation?
it's like, yeah, bro. So do I just not say anything?
It's gonna be hot.
My older brother went through a ketchup packet at me. Yo, my sisters when they got mad, like they wouldn't throw stuff. There would just be like the nearest like fucking like appendage or like limb that they could make contact with me with. They would like do. Like if I pissed my sister off, like she'd be like immediately, like it's like, and I would just be sitting there like trying to dodge that shit. Like if she was laying down, it'd be her legs. So, like it was like crazy. I was playing like fucking VR, trying to combo move, trying to guess what move was gonna be thrown at me. Or sometimes I knew if I said something, it would piss her off. And I would like be like, you know. I used to kick my friend in the ankle so he did something bad. That is crazy, bro. You good today? I don't wear this because I feel like it's kind of shitty looking. I feel like this looks like pajamas. No? Am I crazy? I
I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch.
Is it gray? It's blue.